Hello everyone. Today let us discuss how to solve the numerical problems. Most of the children feel it is very difficult to solve the numericals. But according to me it's very easy and very simple. The only thing is you should know the formulas very well. Whatever the formula you are using related to a particular topic, that all this should be on your fingertips. Then you can easily solve the problems. There is a technique for problem solving. Nowadays, for all competitive exams, we are getting numericals only. But most of the children are so scared to do them. Don't be afraid. Today I am going to teach you simple ways, very simple ways, how to do the numericals. In fact, it's very easy to solve the numericals. So, you should know the topic first which you are taking. Now, for today's topic, I have taken projectile motion. So, projectile motion, it is nothing but when an object is there and you throw it like this, it goes in this position. So this particular path is a parabola. This motion is called as the projectile motion, which I have already given in my previous videos. So this is the projectile motion. So it goes with the starting velocity u, making an angle theta with x-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is called as range, and this is called as height, maximum height, and the time taken from O to A is called as time of flight. So you should know what is this projectile motion. If you don't know, you have to study well before attempting the numericals. Now, this is our projectile motion, as I have told you. Now, there are certain formulas to do the numericals in this particular topic. So, what are the numericals? What are the formulas? So, let me tell you that we have certain formulas to do them. First formula in this topic is the motion of the projectile is a parabola. It comes like y is equal to x tan theta minus g by 2u square cos square theta. This is the general formula, but in general we take it as px minus qx square. So this is the equation of a parabola. Y is equal to x tan theta minus g by 2u square cos square theta into x square. General form we write like this. But most of the numericals we rarely use this formula. So let's see which are the most important for this one. The second formula which we use is time of flight. The time taken for the projectile is 2u sine theta by g. This is one formula. Third formula is maximum height. The maximum height taken for the projectile, h is equal to u square sine square theta divided by 2g. And we have another formula, that is the fourth formula. The fourth formula is the range. R is equal to horizontal range u square sine 2 theta by g. You have to learn these three formulas very well. These three formulas you have to by heart. If you don't know the formulas, you write them 5 times. Each formula you write 5 times. Then close the book, again write them, and check personally you check, correct for yourselves. If it is wrong, again you write 5 times. Definitely you will learn by that time. Nothing to worry. At the end of writing them so many times, definitely you must have learned. In your childhood, you must have learned so many tables, no? You remember till now. In the same way, how you have learned them that time, the teacher made you to by heart them. In the same way, now also you have to learn the formulas of every chapter. After learning the formulas, it will be there on your fingertips. Then you have to solve the problems. For today's discussion, I have taken some numericals. You can see the first numerical. Find the angle of projection for which the horizontal range and the maximum height are equal. I am taking this first problem. Find the angle of projection. Find the angle of projection for which the horizontal range and the maximum height are equal. So let's solve this problem. What they have given, first you should understand. They have not given anything in the problem. What they asked to find angle of projection. That means this theta, that means the theta you have to find out. This theta you have to find. So this one, when you have to find this theta, here what you have to do now, what they have given in the problem, they have given in the problem horizontal range. This one you can see horizontal range and maximum height are equal. So let us take the formulas of horizontal range and maximum height. Because they said equal, we will equate them. So height is u square sine, u square sine square theta by 2g, and horizontal range is u square sine 2 theta by g. Equate both of them, you will get the answer, simple answer. So let us equate them. Let's equate them. Let us write, because they have said r is equal to h. So let's take the formula for the range. That is u square sine 2 theta by g is equal to, h means u square sine square theta by 2g. So whatever you can cancel here, you can cancel. So let's first rewrite this. U square sine 2 theta means, according to trigonometry, 2 sine theta cos theta divided by g. This is a trigonometrical formula. You should know it in trigonometry. That is u square sine square theta means sine theta into sine theta by 2g. Now let's cancel what all we can do here. Here you can cancel out u square, g, 1 sine theta, 1 sine theta. Now what is remaining here? You can see, that is 2 cos theta is equal to sine theta by 2. Now send this 2 this side, send this cos theta this side, you will get 4 is equal to sine theta by cos theta. But sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 4. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse 4. How to find a tan inverse 4? This either they will give in the problem, or they may provide you a book called as Clerk's table, or some people call it as a logarithmic table. Looking into that book, you have to go for natural tangents table. From there you can find the value of tan inverse 4. In the examination hall, some people, they provide the books. Some people call it as clerk's table, some other call it as logarithmic book. In that we have natural sines, natural cosines, natural tangents, logarithmics, anti-logarithmics, everything is there. If they don't provide in the question paper itself, they must have given the tan inverse 4. So from that book you can find that now, that is theta is equal to 75 degrees 58 minutes. 58 minutes. This is the answer for the first numerical. So this is the answer for the first numerical which we have taken here. Now let us attempt the second one. You read the second one, it's the second problem. Let's take the second problem now. So the second problem is, now we are taking this one. Now you can see here, a boy stands at 39.2 meters from a building and throws a ball which just passes through a window 19.6 meters above the ground. Calculate the velocity of projection of the ball. So what they have asking, a boy stands 39.2 from a building, okay, and then he throws a ball like projectile motion he has thrown, which just passes through a window 19.6 above the ground. That means height of the projectile should be 19.6 meters. Now calculate the velocity of projection of the ball. That means here they are asking for u, that is initial velocity u. This is what they are asking here. Let's proceed our solution for that. Let's start our solution. Question number 2. Let us imagine there is a building like this, okay, and after that there is a window here, and this is the ground. Then the boy stands here the boy stands, and he throws one ball. He throws a ball. Where he is standing from the building, he stands at a distance of 39.2 meters. When he has thrown, the height of the window I'm getting wrong choice. The height of the window from here to here, it is 19.6 meters. That means height of the projectile is 19.6. Then how it has gone? It has gone from here and it has gone through the window. It fell again like this. That means it's a projectile motion. It's making an angle theta. Initial velocity is u. We have to find u. So h is equal to 19.6. First you should write the given data. Second thing is range. Range means from here 39.2 and then from here again another 39.2 meters. Therefore total range is 39.2 plus 39.2, which is 78.4 meters. 78.4 meters. Therefore we have to find u is equal to question mark. That is our problem now. Let's solve it. It's easy, nothing difficult here. So let us take first to solve this problem. h and r both are given. So let us take the formulas for h and r and try to solve this problem. Let's take the formulas for h and r and try to solve this problem. Yes. Now let us take the ratio of height divided by range, because these two are the only things which they have given in the problem. Height is u square sine square theta by g, and range is that is u square sine 2 theta by g. U square sine h is u square sine square theta by 2g, and range is u square sine 2 theta by g. Now it will be like u square sine square theta by g whole divided by u square 2 sine theta cos theta divided by g. Now whatever you can cancel, now you cancel, that is u square 1 sine theta, g and g cancel. You will get now 1 by 4 tan theta. 1 by 4 tan theta. What is this? H by r. Then let's proceed from here. They have given h and r values. You can see here h is 19.6, r is 78.4 meters, h is 19.6 meters. We will substitute them here now. We will get that is h by r. That is tan theta is equal to 4h by r. That is 4 into h means 19.6 divided by r means 78.4. Now simplify this however you want. You can simplify. Simple mathematics, let us take 4 1s are 4, 3 is there, and then 4 9s are 36, and then 2.4 will be there. Therefore I have put a point here, and 4 is into 6, that is 19.6. And again you can see numerator denominator, it is 19.6 and 19.6. So you can cancel out both of them, which is equal to 1. So that's equal to 1. Okay, that is equal to 1. That means tan theta is equal to 1. When you get tan theta is equal to 1, when theta is equal to 45 degrees from trigonometry, we know tan theta is equal to 1. I think now our problem will be easily solved once you know the value of theta. Therefore, let's write take any formula. For example, let us take range formula. That is r is equal to u square sine 2 theta by g. Let us take that. But r is equal to 78.4, that is range. U we have to find, that is the only problem. Sine 2 theta means 45 divided by g. G means acceleration due to gravity, 9.8. Therefore you get 78.4 is equal to u square sine 90 by 9.8. But sine 90 is equal to 1. So therefore you will get 78.4 is equal to u square by 9.8. That is u square is equal to 78.4 into 9.8. Therefore u is equal to under root 78.4 into 9.8. Once you simplify, you will get 19.6 into root 2. You know root 2 value 1.414. Then you will get final answer 27.72 meters per second. So we got the answer now. So the final answer for this problem, u is equal to 27.72 meters per second. Some values you should know by heart. Root 2 is 1.414. Root 3 is 1.732. So if you know some values by heart, it is very easy to solve the numericals. So I hope you understood this problem. So this is the second problem which we have solved today. So with the help of only these three formulas, that is H and R and T also you can use. And let's go for the third problem. Let's go for our third problem. So our third problem now, this is our third problem. If R is the horizontal range for an angle theta, inclination, and H is maximum height reached by the projectile, then we have to show that maximum range is given by R square divided by 8H plus 2H. This is our problem. R is the horizontal range, theta is the inclination, you can see the figure. R is the horizontal range and theta is the inclination, you can see here. R is the range here and theta is the inclination here, and now what else they have given in the problem. H is the maximum height, okay, H is the maximum height, you can see, and then we have to show that maximum range given by, that is R square by 8H plus 2H. R square by 8H plus 2H. So that is the problem you have to do now. You have to show that the maximum range R square by 8H plus 2H. Shall we start doing that? So let's go for the third problem, solution of the third problem. That is, let's start third problem. What all they have given, let us take R, horizontal range. By this time I think you must have by hearted the formulas. U square sine 2 theta by G, and maximum height H is equal to U square sine square theta by 2G. So this is range and this is height. Range and height. As they have given, we will take in the problem what they have given, that we will take. They asked us to show R square by 8H plus 2H. So let us take as they have given. R means let us see U square sine 2 theta by 2G. So that means let us write that only. U square sine 2 theta by G, sine 2 theta by G whole square, and then that is divided by 8 into H. U square sine square theta by 2G plus 2H again. U square sine square theta by 2G. What they have given, we have taken. And now we will show that it is the maximum range. So let us take, and it's not that much easy. So let us take, if you do the steps very carefully, everything will be fine. u square whole square u to the power of 4, and then sine square, it's like sine 2 theta whole square, sine 2 theta whole square. Sine 2 theta means, I just told you already, sine 2 theta means according to trigonometry 2 sine theta cos theta, that is sine 2 theta whole square divided by g square, because for everything we have square here, so g square, then that is, and this will become into, that is into, here you will get, here you will get 2g by 8 u square sine square theta. This is all the first term, this term. So this I am writing here. This is all the first term. So in mathematics we write no, like x by y divided by a by b. So how you will write? X by y into b by a you write. Yes or no? This is the rough work I am doing just to show you rough work. So x by y divided by a by b, x by y into b by a, like that we take. In the similar way, this 2g which is here, it will go up, and 8u square sine square theta will be in the denominator. So this is what we have taken here, and then let's proceed again with our this one. In after that we have plus and we have 2u square sine square theta by 2g, 2u square sine square theta by 2g. Now let's cancel whatever we can cancel. Here that much will be cancelled, and here what all we can cancel, let us think now. Let us proceed further. That is u square 2 into 2 whole square, that 2 will become 4 now. That 2 will become 4 sine square theta cos square theta by g square into 2 with 4 you will get g by 4 u square sine square theta plus u square sine square theta by g. Then what all we can cancel? Let us see what all we can cancel. Here g u square 4 sine square theta, and you will get like that. Sorry, here it is u to the power of 4. So here you will get u square, and then that's all I think. And then let's continue. Whatever that is remaining now is u square here, and then cos square theta by g in this term, plus let's see the other thing, this term, that is u square sine square theta by g. This is what we are getting. So now in these two formulas, u square by g is common. Take it out. This u square by g and u square by g is common. Take it out, and then you get u square by g cos square theta plus sine square theta. But according to trigonometry, cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, you will get it u square by g. But according to the projectile motion, u square by g is r max. How it is r max? If you go to the formula of the range, r is equal to Just now we have written in so many numericals, u square sine 2 theta by g. This is our formula. Once again, I write neatly. R is equal to u square sine 2 theta by g. The maximum value of sine is 90. Therefore, when sine is sine 2 theta, that is equal to 1, that is sine 90 is equal to 1, you will get u square by g. This is called as R max. That is the maximum range of the projectile. So finally, we have shown that R max is equal to u square by g, which is nothing but r square by 8h plus 2h. This is what they asked us to prove. So they asked us to prove that r square by 8h plus 2h is equal to R max. So hence our problem is solved. Okay, here our problem is solved. So in this way you have to solve the numericals. I hope you enjoyed solving the numericals. If you want to have more numericals, you can contact me. Okay, today we have solved three numericals. So from here we have taken 3 numericals, and one by one 3 numericals we have solved in an easy way. Once again I tell you, to do the numericals, the main thing, you should know the formulas. When you know the formulas, easily you can solve the numericals. Easily you can solve. But only thing is, formulas you should never forget, and you have to by heart them. And if you cannot learn at one time, by heart them, close the book, write 5 times, open the book, write 5 times, again close the book, write 5 times, do that, and definitely you will learn at the end. Okay? And God bless you all. See you all again in the next video with some more numericals and some more theory topics. Till then, bye. God bless you all.